Right, so I want to show you how a typical rug pull happens. So the coin you are watching here is to me, it's a rug pull because people have gathered whatever it is and they want to pull people down. They want people to put in their money and invest their monies and they will pull it down. So typically it looks like this. So you see that the movement now is TD. And if I bring in my MACD indicator, RSI indicator, it's going to expose them well. So let me bring my RXD, but keep watching. You see how it's going to be rug pulled, even though they don't have much activity. You see, wow, it just went down straight. You see. I hope you saw what happened. Wanted to bring my MACD for you to see, and it just went down once. Let me show you the MACD. RSI indicator, and it's going to like this is what I wanted to pull out. And you see the coin is new, that is it's not even on the RSI indicator, right? But look at how it is. It just fell once to show you that it has been rug pulled, and this is what happens normally. So you need to be extra careful when you are buying coins like this. You need to be extra careful because people take advantage of others like that. And if you put in your small money, you have your $100 or $200, and you put it in because you think that people are cashing out on meme coins and they are taking their coins to 10x, 100x. Please, these are all marketing gimmicks. Some people are making real money. But if you are a newbie, please stay away. Learn the normal trading. And once you learn the normal trading, you can use MACD indicator to know. You can use RSI indicator to even know when people want to rug pull you. So thank you very much. Hope you learned something, and stay safe out there because people are taking others' money. Thank you.